Okay, here's the setup here. Got the tuner into the VOX pedals here. Into the Spark Go. I got everything pulled up on the Spark Go. It's completely clean out of the way. You can actually do that. I didn't know if I could or not, but I go in there and it worked. So I can't flip the screen on this. I just freaking realized it. I thought I could flip the screen, but I can't. Anyway, this thing, these pedals all together like this sounds and feels like a tube amp. I mean, it's just, it's pretty good. I can play like, I'll do old AC/DC. It's just like I grew up playing that stuff, so it's like. You know, more usually I run, if I don't have sustain, I run more gain. I think everybody does that. You know, and this is just really quiet. That's why it's not overloading the phone. Because it's just a Spark going like monitor mode. You know, I don't have any sustain here. And I'm running pretty low gain. It's not bad. Sounds like a tube amp.